I found a shoe! Go a bit faster. A bit slower. A bit faster. Shitload of dust. See, I look at your face, I'm like, what happened?
Engine's heating up.
Probably the bottom of this.
Huh?
You've actually made it go and fly or probably something from the speed.
It's probably fucking ripped up all at the bottom.
Is that meant to be like that? I'm still videoing. Let's go again. Alright. The drinks are right there. I was gonna have a drink and I was riding. Fuck yeah! Did you know 1 in 3 couches have no penis? It broke. Oh my god, I failed. Still videoing. Come here.
Like, I'm gonna be doing this all fucking day now, aren't I?
Your motor probably overheat.
It probably is.
What would happen then if it overheated?
from last time.
The hose actually ripped. I see petrol.
Huh?
You know how things are blurry and you see petrol and shit?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I see that.
How funny is this?
Good actually, I'm still videoing.
Videoing.
I'll put it on YouTube tonight.
Alright, let's do this.
Better not break again.
Round 2, 3. That's right.
Do you know 1 in 3 gouchies have no penis?
I did know that. I thought it was 3 and 3. Oh, gouchies have no penis.
Here. Stop! Oh, fuck!
How was that?
I'm about to go for a ditch. Look. Ow. You prickly little fuckers.
That was my nut.
I'm next to a prickly little fucker. Hey, there's your drinks.
What?
There's your drinks. I'm gonna go have a drink.
Good, so I can fucking turn around without it slowing down.
Take the mattress with you.